Friends, now we are solving a problem on vector differential calculus. The given problem is the magnitude of the directional derivative of a function f of x comma y is equal to x square plus 3y square in the direction of normal to the circle. X square plus y square is equal to 2 at the point 1 comma 1 is. They are given 4 options. Friends, this problem came in GATE 2015. So what we are doing in this problem? We are finding magnitude of the directional derivative. Nothing but first what we have to find out? Directional derivative we need to find out. Directional derivative of what? A scalar function. What is the scalar function? F. The directional derivative of scalar function f in the direction of normal to the circle. Normal to the circle means you will get a, if you are for this circle you can find out a normal. But the directional derivative of a scalar point function in the direction of unit normal vector only we have. That formula is, you see, directional derivative of f in the direction of unit normal vector we are denoting with del f dot e bar. Okay, e cap or e bar. E cap is nothing but here unit normal vector. E cap we are denoting with n bar by modulus of n bar. Normal vector and it is a modulus of n bar. Okay, now del f we need to find out. What they are given? F of x comma y is equal to x square plus 3y square. Then del f is equal to, we are denoting with I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y in two dimensional space. What is the f here? You have x square plus 3y square. Now I into, with respect to x, do it here 2x and here 0 plus j into, with respect to y, this is 0 and here you have 6y. So we have a finally del f is equal to 2xi plus 2xi plus 6yj. This is del f. Next what you need to find out? E cap. E cap is nothing but n bar by mod n bar. Normal vector modulus of normal vector. Okay. What is the normal vector? In the direction of normal to the circle. What let us consider the circle pi of x comma y is equal to x square plus y square minus 2. Okay, this is the, consider the direction to the surface. Now normal surface we are denoting with n bar. N bar is equal to del pi. This is normal to the circle. Now this is I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y. Generally plus k into dou by dou z we will write, but this is in two dimensional space. So two dimensional space we have only xy of x square plus y square minus 2 is equal to I into, with respect to x do it, then you will have 2x plus j times of, with respect to y, 2y. So what you can say, n bar is here, n bar is equal to 2xi plus 2yj. What you require actually? Direction of unit normal vector, E cap. So what is the E cap? N bar by mod n bar. So E cap is equal to n bar by mod n bar, that is 2xi plus 2yj. Okay, before that you see where you require, that is also important. Where you require here, are they given any point? If they are not given any point, we can go through like this, what we are doing, that is correct. But they are given at a point 1 comma 1. So we require to find out at that point only. At 1 comma 1, this is the value of this is 2i plus 2j only. So this is 2i plus 2j and square root of I, modulus of n is nothing but what? Under root of I quotient square plus j quotient square. What is the I quotient here? 2. 2 square means 4. J quotient is 2. 2 square means 4. So you have 2 times of I plus j and this is root 8. Root 8 you can write as 4 times of root 2. Okay, root of 4 times of 2. Nothing but 2 root 2. 2 to getting cancelled. Then you will have I plus j divided by root 2. And also we need to find out del f. Where you need to find out? Del f also at 1 comma 1 point only. So at 1 comma 1, del f is equal to 2i plus 6j. Yes, we have now del f value and E cap value. So you can find out the directional derivative of f in the direction of unit normal vector. Okay. Now the directional derivative of f in the direction of unit normal vector is del f dot E cap. What is the del f I have? 2i plus 6j dot, what you have E cap? I plus j by root 2. So this is I dot I1, I dot j 0. j dot I 0, j dot j is 1. You know the dot product of vectors, yes? So 2 into 1 is 2 plus 6 into 1 means 6 root 2. So this is 8 by root 2. 8 you can write as 4 into root 2 into root 2 divided by root 2. 2 getting cancelled, then you will have 4 root 2 is the answer. Which answer this is? Directional derivative of f in the direction of unit normal vector. But in the problem what they are given, you see? Magnitude of the directional derivative. Magnitude is nothing but here same. If there is a negative, then we will get, for the scalar function, magnitude is nothing but if there is a negative, then you will get positive in this case. So what are the options you have, you see? 4 root 2, 5 root 2, 7 root 2, 9 root 2. So which option is correct? Option A is correct. Is it clear for everyone? Right. Thank you for watching this video.